G'day everyone, this is Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. What I'm doing now is we've moved the furniture with the help of the owner, and I'm about to start the second stage of the floor. So I'm just going to be doing the primer sealer on this part. That looks pretty cool. Oh, absolutely bloody beautiful, that floor. So anyway, once I've done the primer sealer, while I'm waiting for it to dry, I want to do another coat in the shower, the floor and the walls, and then I'll do these bits of cement sheet, fill those in there in the toilet, and then I'll start laying this. I want to come through here and get these tiles down in the bathroom and laundry. Once I've got the fullies down in here, I can do the cuts and that tomorrow when I'm walking on the tile, and I'll start laying, because this will be dry by then. A couple hours time I'll start laying this area. I'm going to use a black aluminium that goes nicely with the black carpet. It's cool. It's going to look bloody beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, woo, woo. And I'll see you on the next round. See ya. Have a great day. Bye.